Hi everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing the walk around video of the 335D M Sport Saloon. As always, we're going to begin with taking a slow walk around the exterior of the car whilst I show you some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'm going to make my way around. I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the car, where once again we'll go through some of the major talking points and features. The vehicle itself is a 2016 16 plate and is presented in the fantastic Alpine white. Alongside that, we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. And as you can see, those two colours are working very nicely together. The vehicle sits on the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels, which are in the original Bi-Orbit grey and come with mixed premium run flat tyres all the way around. The vehicle has the M Sport Plus pack, so it does have the much larger front and rear M brake option, privacy glass, Harman Kardon, and of course heated front Dakota leather seats, all of which we'll take a close-up look at as we go around. So there you can see that extra parking sensor at the front of the vehicle. That is thanks to the vehicle having the premium parking pack. And of course, I'll show you a display of that very shortly. Down the side of the car, we have got the satin side vinyls, gloss back tie bars, and the YNC Mperformance stickers. The interior, as I've mentioned, is the Dakota leather. It is the black Dakota leather, as you can see there. So not only does it have the heated seat function, it also has the electric lumbar option. And again, thanks to the M Sport Plus pack, we have got that very nice Harman Kardon with Logic 7 surround sound. And we will of course go ahead and check out the rear seats, where you find the 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and once again is a very nice spacious place to be, whether you're sat in the front or the rear, and you still have that very nice clean and tidy M Sport black headlining. And we'll take one last glance at the alloy wheels before I head round to the rear of the car, where we find a satin rear boot spoiler, gloss black rear diffuser, and of course the both 335D and X-Drive badges. And we'll go ahead, open up the boot to allow you to have a look at the luggage capacity and of course just how clean and tidy everything is. Something that we are always keen to point out is just how large this boot space is. Bearing in mind, obviously there is a four-wheel drive system underneath this vehicle to keep you nice and stable on the road. However, it does not compromise any of that boot space, and they even managed to put you two little storage bins underneath the false floor in the boot. Unlike some manufacturers that can't manage to put a four-wheel drive system under their car and then they manage to compromise your boot space, BMW have managed to do so using a very sophisticated, superb four-wheel drive system. So around at the other side of the car, we'll show you again how nicely presented this Alpine white body colour is, in contrast with the fantastic Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit is. And we'll move on inside the vehicle now, where of course I'm going to go through some of the very special options that this vehicle comes equipped with. So now we're sat inside the car, I will of course go ahead and start that up, and we're immediately greeted by the very nice professional wide navigation and media screen. This of course houses all of the necessary things, i.e. media, sat nav, telephone, and we'll run through a couple of those now. So as you've seen, we've got DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs. Another one being the Bluetooth audio, which is that screen there. Sat nav as well, and of course another feature on this vehicle is the rear facing reversing camera and the other parking assist I was mentioning. So as you can see just here, we've got another row of sensors as opposed to just front and rear sensors, which is always useful, especially in those tight parking situations or even just pulling out of a particularly tight space. So now the vehicle's back in park, that all screen will remain there because I want to highlight another feature on this car, which is the head-up display. So not only will that display actual road current speed via a digital speed display, we also have the traffic road sign recognition. So currently obviously we are inside the showroom, however the road outside the showroom is a 30-mile-per-hour limit, so the vehicle recognises that via the satellite navigation, and of course that will apply to any road that you drive on. So of course it does mean that you're not having to look down at your regular speedo, which is of course always a safety aspect, as well as making the vehicle nice to use and drive and live with every day. As you can see there, it has covered just over 38,000 miles and is exceptionally clean and tidy inside and out. 38,000 miles is very low for considering it is of course that 2016 year. Going into the service requirements, as you can see that everything is highlighted in the green, and the next service, albeit it is due at 2,500 miles, which does mean we will be servicing the vehicle in-house because it does meet our service requirements. Anything 3,000 or below here at Your Next Car does meet our service requirements, so that will have a service in-house with an in-house service invoice. However, the vehicle itself does come with a full BMW service history, as you can now see on screen, and the last visit to BMW was for a brake fluid check and service, which is always a sign of just how well cared this vehicle has been cared for, and the previous service was for a full service including all filters. As always guys, I do hope you found this little walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And down below in the description box will be all of the relevant contact information and links to our website, so you can check out this fantastic vehicle in more detail, and of course you'll be able to find out all of the prices and finance options if that's applicable to yourself, along with all of our other amazing examples we have in stock ready to drive away today. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.